Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can zoom in a video on Canva. So first you want to select the video and then go to crop. Now over here what you need to do is take one of the corners and then drag them out like so. After that you will see the circles. This is of course the actual size of the video, and the lower that is in a full color, this one is the preview, so what you will actually see. So we can drag it out even more like so, and then you can move it and for instance center it like so, or even move it, let's say like so. And then if I press done over here, or if I click outside the edit mode, then I will be left, with the zoomed in video. And if I play it, then you will see it's actually zoomed in. If you want to further adjust it, then you can double click the video and then you will go back to the crop mode and then you can adjust it if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.